We have another example, 839.3 feet. We have to convert to inches. This time I'm supposed to use conversion factor. 12 inches is equal 1 foot. So let me rewrite this problem one more time. I have 839.3 feet, and I have to multiply by the conversion factor, which is 1 foot, and I have 12 inches in the numerator. Why I did in this way? Because I want to eliminate this foot, okay? And in order to eliminate this unit, I have to make sure that the same unit is going to be in the denominator. If you are going to use the foot in the numerator, foot times foot is going to give me square foot. I do not want to have square foot. I want to eliminate this one. So that's why in order to eliminate this unit, I have to have exactly the same in the denominator. And it doesn't matter if this is going to be foot, or this is going to be amp, or this is going to be volt, or this is going to be Newton. Doesn't matter. In order to eliminate this unit, you have to make sure that you are going to have exactly the same unit in the denominator of this fraction. So foot and foot will cancel out. And we have, keep in mind that this is always improper fraction. Anytime you multiply fractions, you have to multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by the denominator. And we have 839.3 times 12 inches over 1. This is going to be equal 1.007 times 10 to the 4 inches. This is the solution to this problem.